How to change font style in Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and using the search tool, search for font and then navigate to the font size and style option. Here, as you can see, you have the option that says font style, so click on it. And here you will have two options. You can either select from the default fonts that comes with your phone, which are not a lot, as you can see, only 3 of them. Or you can click on the option that says download fonts. It will redirect you to the font store, and here you will be able to find a lot of fonts according to your needs. So once you find the font that you like, see for example this one, the Rosemary font, click on the download icon. The font now will be downloaded to your phone and it will be installed, and once that is done, as you can see, you will be able to apply it as a font, as you can see right here. So let's go back. As you can see, it has been added to the fonts collection on your phone, and you can, once you apply it, your phone fonts will now be changed, as you can see, to that font that you selected. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your font style on Android. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.